Hello again. My name is
Window panel.
Ahmed Sami. I'm a blind user. This is the third part of testing Tails OS operating system on Windows machine, installed on Windows machine. Okay, in this part, we will look at the terminal, the accessibility setting, and the Tor browser. Okay. First of all,
Overview panel tab. Files push button. LibreOffice Calc. Files escape. Panel. OX. Backspace. Max. C. Tab. Files push button. System monitor. LibreOffice Calc. System files.
I didn't know.
Left system backspace. Backspace. CCIS. Backspace. Tab. Settings push button. Accessibility push button.
Let's try to look first at the accessibility and we will look at the settings.
Return. Settings frame. Tab. Panel. Tab. Always show accessibility menu toggle button pressed.
Okay, this is the accessibility menu. Yeah, I read through the documentation. Most of the time it's opened, but I can't access it at all with my screen reader. This is a problem. I know about it, like I said before, from the documentation, from Tails documentation, but it doesn't display. My screen reader can't move through it. I try the shortcuts they said in the website, but doesn't work also, like I said before.
Tab. Seeing list with 6 items. High contrast toggle button not pressed. Space.
Let's try the high contrast.
Tab. High contrast toggle button not pressed. Return. Pressed.
I see nothing change, at least for me.
Tab. Large text toggle button not pressed.
Okay, this is the large text.
Return.
First of all, we are the people who completely blind or the people who have a less vision, a very low vision. This white color, it's killing for us. Okay, some of us have a problem like if our eyes move directly to a white color like that, it's hurting us. Okay, sometimes we will cry, we will have some tears, stuff like that. It's really hurting. Okay, that's happened with me first time I opened Tails. It's opened in Tor browser. When Tor open, when I didn't know that, this white color burned my eyes. So it's very hurting for us. Most of the blind of a very low vision will have this kind of problem.
Left high contrast toggle button pressed. Return. Not pressed. Tab. Large text toggle button not pressed. Return.
Text.
Tab. Large text toggle button. Tab. Cursor size default.
A cursor size.
Zoom off. Cursor size default. Large text. Zoom off. Cursor size default. Panel. Hearing list with 1 item. Tab. Typing list with 4. Seeing list with 6 items. Left screen reader on. Zoom off. Cursor size default.
This is the cursor size.
Zoom off.
This is to zoom out.
Screen reader on.
This is the screen reader. It's on already.
Sound keys off.
This is sound keys to maybe sound when I press the keys.
Hearing list with 1 item. Visual alerts off.
This is the virtual alert for the people who have a problem in hearing.
Typing list with 4 items. Screen keyboard toggle button not pressed.
This is a screen keyboard.
Return.
Let's try to open it.
Return. Space. Space. Repeat keys on. Cursor blinking on. Typing assist. Access X off.
Typing assist.
Pointing and clicking list with 4 I locate pointer toggle button not pressed.
Let's
return.
Activate this.
Mouse locate pointer toggle button not pressed. Space.
I always keep this on while I am using
mouse key locate pointer toggle button not pressed. Return.
But I don't know why it doesn't want to activate right now.
Click assist off.
Click assist.
Double click delay. Horizontal slider 500 400.
Okay, this is the normal option. Nothing fancy here.
Tab. Search toggle button not tab. Primary menu toggle button not. Tab. Panel. Left all.
Let's try to open the normal setting to see how it's look.
Window. Key tab. Screenshot configure persistent screenshot push button. Configure key pass XC screenshot push button.
Let's try this screenshot.
Return. Frame. Take screenshot push button. Return. Frame. Name.
Yeah.
Text. Tab. Folder. Combo box. Pick
Okay.
tab. Cancel push button.
We already tried
Return.
that before.
Frame. Telef.
Okay. There is an app. We will test it again. It's voice
Window.
recorder.
V. Overview panel. O. ACE. Tab. Overview panel. Text. Backspace. C. Escape. Window V. O. I. Backspace. Tab. Unlock via configure persistent unlock disks push button. Escape.
Let's try recorder.
Window R. E. C. Tab. Audacity push. Sound recorder push
Yeah,
return.
it's not voice recorder. It's sound
Frame.
recorder.
Record push button.
Let's record. I already have my my microphone connected.
Tab. Menu toggle button. Record push button. Space. Pause recording push button.
Right now I know it's recording. This is my voice. This is just a test voice. Let's
tab. Stop recording push button.
Let's pause.
Left pause recording push button. Space. Resume recording push button.
Right now I must pausing this recording. It must my sound doesn't record here.
Space. Pause recording push button. Tab. Stop recording push button.
Let's
space.
stop recording.
Resume recording tab. Stop recording space. Pause recording tab. Stop record tab. Delete recording push tab. Pause recording push tab. Stop recording return. List with one item. Text. Recording one selected. Left control.
Here is the recording. Let's try to listen to it.
Return. Recording 100 tab. Delete push button. Tab. Seek 10 back. Delete recording 100 tab. Play push button.
I will wait to let us hear this voice.
Space. Pause push button. Left control. Tab. Seek 10 for pause push button.
I don't know you can hear it or not, but I can hear my voice, but it's very
Play
low.
push button. Tab. Seek 10 let play push button space. Pause push button.
I already tried it before with another microphone and it gave me a better result. I know this microphone is working fine, you know, but I think this is some of configuration. I have to do it in my side in this operating system or what. Okay.
Left all.
Let's try the terminal.
Window.
Or the normal settings.
S. Overview tab. Screenshot sound record settings. Return.
Let's try the normal
settings frame.
Before everything.
Tab. Panel. Tab. Always show accessibility menu toggle button pressed. Left panel.
I want the whole setting
Return.
menu.
Left. Tab. Panel. Tab. Always show accessibility. Return. Tab. Left. Return.
Okay, we will access
Left
from the terminal, no problem, okay?
Window. T-E-R. Tab. Backup persistent terminal push button. Root terminal push button.
I will use the root terminal right now.
Return. Dialog to start a root terminal. You need to authenticate. Caps lock is on. Password text.
I know the password.
Black circle. Cancel push tab. Authenticate return.
Authenticate.
Password text.
I already type it.
Black circle. Cancel push tab. Password text. Black circle. Cancel push tab. Password. Black circle. Cancel push password. Black circle.
This is the right password. I already put it, but I don't know exactly this is right or wrong because the screen reader shortcut doesn't work. There is a shortcut in my screen reader to make me see what I just type in every field, but
cancel push
when
password.
I tried it, it doesn't work.
Black circle. Cancel push tab. Password text. Cancel push tab. Password text. Black circle. Black circle. Cancel tab. Authenticate return. Tab. Password text for black circle. Black cir, black cir, black cir, black cir, black cir, black cir. Cancel push tab. Authenticate return. Password text. Black cir, black cir, black cir, black cir, silence. Black cir, 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 black cir. Cancel tab. Return. Return. Password text.
Okay, let's try
Cancel
to
push button.
the normal
Return.
terminal.
Windows TER tab. Backup persistent terminal push root terminal push return. Amnesia at sign amnesia. Tilde frame. Amnesia at sign amnesia co left control. C return. Bash. CPW return. Bash. PWD. Command not found amnesia at sign amnesia co left control. PW. Back caps lock off. PW.
Maybe this is the problem.
Return. /home /amnesia at sign amnesia colon tilde dollar.
Okay, it's working.
Left amnesia at sign amnesia colon tilde dollar. Return. Desktop downloads pictures templates. Tor browser documents music public text underscore file 1 amnesia at sign amnesia colon tilde dollar.
Let's try to cd to any of these directories because
cd space DOW tab. Return. Bash. CD. Now. No such file or direct cd space DONLOAD. Return. Bash. CD. Download. No cd space D. Tab. Back C. D space return. Amnesia at amnesia. /home. Amnesia
Okay.
left control. CD space return. Amnesia at amnesia. / amnesia at sign amnesia co ls return. Bin devinided.imlib 64 mnt root srv vm left control.
let's try to move
CD.
to the home.
Return. Amnesia at amnesia. Tilde. Amnesia
Okay.
at sign amnesia colon tilde dollar.
I am in home.
CD space.
Let's
D.
try to move to the desktop or download.
Tab. Return. Bash. CD. D. No CD space. D. ESKTOP. Return. Bash. CD. Desktop. No such file or directory amnesia at sign amnesia left control.
Okay, this is how the terminal work.
Left up.
Let's try to Tor browser.
Win T. Overview panel. Text. T. To. Tab. Videos push. Tor browser push button. Return.
Harry.
Tor is not ready dialog. Tor is not ready. Start Tor browser anyway.
Okay.
Open Tor connection push button.
Of course, we will open Tor connection.
Tab. Start Tor browser offline push button. Tab. Tor is not ready. Tab. Open Tor connection push button space.
Space to open Tor connection.
Tor connection frame. Connect to Tor automatically easier. Not selected radio button space. Selected. Tab. Push button.
I will connect it automatically because I don't have this info here. It's just for testing.
Tab. Configure a Tor bridge checkbox not checked.
Configure Tor bridge.
Space. Checked.
Yes.
Tab. Push button. Tab. Push button. Tab. Tor link. Learn more about how to tab. Connect to Tor push button.
Connect to Tor.
Return. Use a default bridge. Not selected radio
Yes.
space. Selected.
You wanna use the default bridge.
Tab. Back push button. Tab. Connect to Tor push return.
Connect
1%.
to the Tor.
%.
Okay. It's moving forward here.
100%.
Okay, I think it's fully loaded.
F6. Left T. Tab. Start Tor browser push button. Return.
Start Tor browser.
Tor browser frame.
Okay.
Tab. Tails. Welcome to Tails. Page tab.
Okay, this is the Tails welcome
H.
page.
Left T. New tab page tab. Search or enter address editable combo box.
Let's
Finish
try,
slow left control.
let's try to open maybe 1 or 2 websites to see
Finish
how
loading Tails.
the navigation works.
Backspace. TAILS. BOOM.com. Return. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box tailsboom.com. Loading. Please wait. Document web. We're having trouble finding that site heading level 1.
Okay.
Finish loading server.fw. Teleti.
strange.
Sir left control.
Let's try to open YouTube.
YOUTUBE.com. Return. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box youtube.com. Loading. Please wait. Document web.
Okay. I will wait for him to finish loading. I'm using my F6.
A Google company. Before you continue to YouTube, we use
Wait here. I'm using F6 key to move to the address
window.
bar.
YouTube M-Store browser push button.
I'm using my F6 to move through the address bar to type. And while navigation through a web browser, it's easier. I will press H to move by heading. I will press K to move by links, L to move by list items, G to move by graphics, and I can also press tab to move by element and shift tab to move backward. And if I combined shift with any letter, if I press H, it will move me forward by heading. If I press shift H, it will move me backward by heading. This is from Google.
Tab. Tor connection push button. Tab. YouTube M-Store browser push button. Return. YouTube M-Tab. A Google company with tab. Sign in push button link tab. Tab. Cookies link tab. Reject the use of cookies and a tab. Accept the use return.
Let's accept these cookies and try to use YouTube.
Dialog. Clickable.
I just wanted to open one videos.
H. Stop and have police med H.
Any random video.
Millier party at Gerkaus med Sveraj Ren H. Barnen River Calumet. By H. Rankarelt pa chop chops many babies live for H. Trending link heading level 2. H. 100 kids vs 1 pro by beast reacts stage. The TTJAGA on H. Music for men relaxing with H. Sweden. The gun violence cap H. I gave people $1 million but only 1 minute to spend it. By Mr. Beast 1 year ago 14 minutes.
Okay,
18 left control.
This is a video by Mr. Beast.
Return.
Let's press enter.
YouTube video player.
This is $1 million in cash. Now I'm going to give random people 1 minute to try to spend all this money.
Carl, start the timer. You guys have 60 seconds. Whatever you put in this cart, I will pay for up to $1 million. Starting now. It's been 6 seconds.
Okay, it's working like expected. No problem here.
Oh, that's a big TV for a cart.
Tab. Panel. Watch later push button. Tab. Share push button. Opens menu. Focus mode. Left control T.
Let's maybe try
Browse
to
mode.
open
Document web. Backspace.
any other website just for testing. Maybe we can open.
FAC.
Maybe we can open
Backspace.
GitHub.
GITHUB.com. Return.
Just to test it with another website. With another website format, I mean. Another website format to browse.
H. No more headings. H. No more heading. H. No more headings. F6. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box. Left A backspace www. Lay backspace www.gitaub.com. Return. Search with DuckDuckGo or enter address editable combo box www.github.com. Loading. Please wait. Document
Okay,
web.
is
GitHub, where the world builds software. Middle.github document web.
My best website ever.
Left control.
I will press H to move by heading, and I will press L to move, K to move by links.
A. Screen reader off.
Like I said before, sometimes the screen reader is stuck. I have to stop it and re-enable it
Screen
again.
reader on.
In the web, it doesn't. While browsing a website, doesn't happen with a particular website. It happens
16
normally,
push button.
like you've seen right now. It's randomly.
Window tab. Left space. Escape.
Okay, I will include it
panel.
right now. This is everything about Tail. This is how I install it. I tried to install a couple of packages from Debian repository, and it's normally working. It's working as I expected about the terminal. I tried to install it, some of them, added a couple of repository to the file, to my bash files, edit some my bash.rc profile bash.rc files, and also it's working. I didn't get any problem while using terminal. It can be better, I know, but right now it's good. It's not bad.